Mark the Meerkat suffering here at Free Online Trading Education, brought to you by Grok Trade. Boy, it's a bitterly cold day here in Toledo, Ohio. Minus 11-degree record. But it is nice and hot on the markets today. Let's take a look at a trade that we had in the Grok Star room this morning on fuel, F-U-E-L. Here it was at pre-market, and then it right here at opening, it ran up like that and then was doing a bull pullback here right to the 200 period moving average. If you want to know more about that, you can go to our site, good old free online tradingeducation.com, to our free chart school, and then go to chart patterns. This is the second way that we can look at it compared to my other videos, just showing you different ways to get to it, and a bull pullback right there. Here's a picture of it where it ran up. It's pulling back and to a line of support and starting to run up. In our case, it was the 200 period moving average. And then again, here's a written description of it, and here's a picture of it on some live charts. But let's go ahead and take a look at it here in a real trade. Here it is. It pulled up, pulling back, starting to run up. So I set a trade, getting ready to go. And let's see what happens next. And boom! Look at that. It rocketed up here, and I am now long at $11.38. I'm long on F-U-E-L. And set my 1% stop. Went right down this way. And bam, bam. Wow, look at that. Stop me out. Look at that. So what happened here? It ran all the way up to 11.50. It hit its head twice there and then pulled down all the way here to $11.03. That is a 4% drop in these three candles. Hard to defend against that. So this bull pullback did not turn out. Only the odds in our favor doesn't always turn out. So on this particular trade, I was stopped out at 11.26 for minus 1% in 2 minutes. But now what's happening is now we're getting a bear pullback here. And you see this swing low here, and there's a support from all the way back here. I'm going to set an order right in this area that if this continues to fall, I'm going to want to be short. So got the order set, and bam! Look at that. From 11 down to 11. That's 3% drop in one candle, and I got in at $11.81. I am short on F-U-E-L. Set my 1% stop right around this 1090 area, and oops, we got a tweezer bottom here, and boom! Look at that. Got me right out of that trade. Look at that. Right out of that trade. Boom! Well. So on this trade, I was out at $11.90 for minus 0.9% in 1 minute. Well, this is kind of the story of my day today. I was only 1 of 10 called trades in the Grok Star room today, and we set a record for the largest expense day in the history of the Grok Star room at minus 4.35%. Well, let's contrast that with Wednesday's results. Wednesday, we were 7 of 12 trades for a net of plus 21.5%. So I traded the exact same trading system, didn't make any errors either day, but the market was better to me than one day rather than the other. This is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Hey, just remember that you need to trade your trading system without making any errors. And then if you're making more money than you are losing money over time, you have a successful and effective trading system. Trade well.